This 2023 Grand Design Reflection 296 RDTS is a travel trailer RV. It is located in Sanger, Texas, 76266 and is offered for sale by McClain's Longhorn RV. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This used Grand Design is 33 feet 10 inches in length and features sleeps 4, refrigerator, external shower, carbon monoxide detector, water heater, auxiliary battery, slide out, LP detector, spare tire kit, oven, skylight, and 54 gallons fresh water capacity. The unloaded weight of this 2023 Grand Design Reflection 296 RDTS is 7,808 pounds. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.